Hey, YouTube enthusiasts! Welcome to my new tutorial on how to effectively clear the cache memory of the YouTube app on an Android device. Cache memory can take up significant space on your device and slow down the app's performance. Regularly clearing the cache memory can improve your device's performance and ensure a smooth YouTube experience. In this tutorial, step by step, I'll guide you through the process of clearing the cache memory of the YouTube app on an Android device. Without further delay, let's get started. First, go to Settings. Now, scroll down and find the Caps option and tap on it. After that, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on this search to immediately find the YouTube app. In the search bar, type YouTube then tap on the app. Now, scroll down and tap on the Storage option. And finally, tap on a Clear Cache in the bottom right corner of the screen. Great! That's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Big greetings.